everybody. I hope you all are doing great. Yes, and even I'm doing awesome and great. I'm just trying to make things better now. So now in this video today, again we'll have a book review. As I said you all that I'll be starting very soon with all my books which I have read for this long past times. So the book that I'm having here today with me is very close to my heart, and the reason is that this book is something that has to be there with all the readers. And why am I telling that? Because this is the sweetest book I've read in my life. This book is like a hug to me. So I will be talking about this book and what is this book all about and why you should, even if you're a non-reader, you should have this book. And why? You'll see that in this video. Okay, so let me start. So आपको ऐसा नहीं लगता कि in nowadays we all are running very fast? I mean very fast. हमारे पास टाइम ही नहीं है कि हम बैठ के 2 सेकंड के लिए आसपास की चीज़ों को देखें या अपने बारे में सोचें या कुछ तो सोचो यार, मतलब नहीं कर रहे हैं हम ये, क्योंकि इवन इफ वी आर फ्री, there's this one thing that we all are doing is we are in a culture of social media. Of course we have very easy access to all kind of social media apps and all, and वहाँ पे जाने के बाद आपके 5 मिनट कब 5 मिनट से 2 घंटे बन जा रहे हैं पता ही नहीं चल रहा है, एंड देन सडनली आपके पास काम आ जाता है. So ultimately we all are free to scroll, but we're not free to sit and talk to our loved ones. We're not free to think. We're not free to realize things in life. We're not free to analyze that how beautiful the life is. Yes, so the book that I have here with me is The Things You Can Only See If You Slow Down. Yeah, the title enough is sufficient to tell all of us that it means that there's a need to slow down, right? हमें थोड़ा सा धीमे चलना पड़ेगा, right? And then we need to slow down. Why do we need to slow down? Everybody today is facing that hard times. मुझे नहीं लगता ऐसा कोई है जिसकी लाइफ में सब कुछ बहुत बढ़िया चल रहा है, राइट? मेरी लाइफ में तो कुछ बढ़िया चल ही नहीं रहा है, लेकिन दिस इज द वेरी कांस्टेंट थिंग गोइंग ऑन फॉर अ वेरी लॉन्ग टाइम. आई एम तो नाउ लाइक अभी तो लाइक आई हैव नो पॉइंट टू बिकम upset or emotional on things. Like I'm absolutely fine with whatever is coming on my way. So the thing is that can we realize and relate few things all together? This is the book. This book is written by Hamin Suneem. एंड जब मैंने इसको रिसर्च आउट किया तो मुझे ये मालूम चला कि ही वॉज अ पर्सन who randomly used to write captions and वो जो हम लोग पोस्ट करते हैं सोशल मीडिया में. So this book is a collection of that. And how beautifully this person was. He was a person with lot of spirituality, meditation, and जो चीज़ें इस बुक में mentioned हैं that will take you to another level. बहुत प्यार से हिट करती हैं आपको, right? So as I said initially, it's a hug to me because दिस इज़ नॉट अ बुक जो आपको ज्ञान दे रहा है. दिस इज़ नॉट अ बुक जो आपको कंपल्सिव तरह की कोई चीज़ें हैं कि ऐसा करना चाहिए इस सिचुएशन पे या कोई नीति बताई जा रही है आपको, बिल्कुल नहीं. इट्स वेरी सिंपल एंड वेरी इजी बुक जो आपको उस बुरे वक्त में ना इट्स लाइक पुटिंग ऑन योर हेड ऑन समबडीज शोल्डर. इट इज़ दैट comforting. You will read that 4 lines and you will then pause. You then think about it. You then realize it कि oh yeah, I forgot to look into it. This is that book. Right? And there are certain quotes. Let me just show you in brief that, see, look into this beautiful moon. Oh my god, I'll come to it. I will come to it. Look at the pictures. How pretty this book is. Look, this is how this book is. We have short paragraphs. And every paragraph is having intense emotion. Look at how beautifully I've read. Look into this. I have so many markers here. I have the habit of marking the beautiful things out there. So, and ये वो बुक नहीं है कि आपको लग रहा हो कि I'll finish in a week, I'll finish in a month, maybe I'll take just 2 days to read. No, this is a book you have to keep with yourself. Like when you feel like I want to sleep now and I want something comforting, open any page and that page is sufficient to give you an answer. Correct? This is that pretty one book. हम आजकल क्या करते हैं कि compulsively books को पढ़ने लग जाते हैं. I तो even now suggest, because now my reading practices are so different that I am reading 4-5 books altogether. Yes, depends on my mood. At my workplace, I read something else. After I wake up, I'll read 2 pages of something else. Before I sleep, I read completely different stuffs. And this is one of this. ये वो किताब है जो मैं शायद सोने से पहले, before I do the meditation complete करने से पहले, I read this book. I'll just read these 4 lines for you. I can either get annoyed or think it's fun that I don't have to grab a handrail. People react differently to the same situation. If we look at it more closely, we see it's not the situation that is troubling us, but our perspective on it. कितनी सिंपल सी बात है, कितनी प्यारी सी बात है और कितने प्यार से इस किताब में मेंशन किया हुआ है. And coming to the last point that I would like to share about this book is why this book is so close to me. If you will ask me that uh, what is my connection, if you will just look into my personal IDs, I everywhere, you can see moon and this, that I'm a selenophile and all. I have this very strong connection with moon. I can feel that energy every time. Even at my worst time, I can sense that strength coming from there. Right? If you'll ask me what love is, I'll just tell you one thing, that if ever I have felt that connection and that um, kind of thing where I do anything and the first thing that comes to my head when it is love is always moon. It is so beautiful. It is not with you, but that is that energy, that transforms itself into different shapes every other day, right? And in whatever shape it is, even at days it is hidden in the clouds, wherever, whatever, you can feel the energy. I am somebody who has connected myself a lot with nature in my past days. And whenever I look up to the moon, I think every other night I do it. Even now, after this, I'll be going out for a walk. I can feel that energy, and that makes me smile. That makes me, release all the stress I've gone throughout the day. And this book at pages has this beautiful pictures. I don't know, and there's nowhere in this book it is written about the moon and the energies and all. I don't know why these pictures are there in the book, but I loved it. I mean, this made this book very little more closer to my heart. That's all this book is all about, guys. अगर आप एक लवर है किताब के, आपको इस तरह के पिक्चर्स मिलेंगे यहाँ पे, and these pictures are enough. कितना सोल सूदिंग है, कितना कंफर्टिंग है. सो व्हाई नॉट टू हैव. आजकल इंसान कंफर्टिंग नहीं है यार, ये बहुत सिंपल सी बात है. मैं बहुत ओपन एंड स्ट्रेट इस चीज़ को बोलूँगी, नहीं रहे इंसान कंफर्टिंग, समझ जाओ इस चीज़ को. So I have opted books in my life, and yes, they are comforting, and this is one of those books. It's like a hug to me. It's the most comforting book in my life, and I would like everybody of you, go and buy it, keep it with you, right? Don't keep humans around, they're not worth it. Keep books. Yeah, that's all I want to say today in this video, and I'll see you again in the next books. I have read some good books, and I'll share with you. Till then, please take care, stay healthy, yeah, stress down. That's it.